One of the reasons why all this investment is happening is because this is relatively new. There's new technology that's coming out. So let's take a look at an EV lithium-ion battery system and what it consists of. If we take a look here on the diagram on the right, one of the first elements to building a lithium-ion battery system is starting with your chemistry or your battery cells. And these can come in different forms, cylindrical, pouches, or prismatic. Typically, those are packaged together and then put into what's called a battery module. Battery modules are then put together, which make up the overall system. And that system could be referred to as a battery pack, or in some cases, depending on the vehicle power requirements, you could have multiple battery packs, sometimes 4, 8, or even more, depending on whether it's a fully electric truck, bus, or similar larger type of vehicle. If we take a look at that, typically the cells contribute to the majority of the battery cost. But there's other really important areas that also can add up. And one in particular that we're going to take a look at is the battery management system. Studies show that can contribute over $1,000 to the lithium-ion battery system. But let's take a look at some numbers and look at the overall cost and the cost drivers associated with the lithium-ion battery pack and system. So as I mentioned, cells are typically the largest driver, but there are other areas that provide cost reduction opportunity. So the chart on the left shows dollars per kilowatt hour for some leading EV OEMs in the market. Here we show Tesla, General Motors, and then an average across other OEMs together. Tesla coming in total dollar per kilowatt hour, slightly below 200. GM, you see, is slightly above 200, and then the other OEMs just shy of $250 per kilowatt hour. Then if you look at the breakdown, the way we have this segmented is in the blue, the battery pack other category can contribute up to 24, nearly a quarter of the total battery cost, but the cells by and large about 3/4, 75% of the overall cost.